Hey everybody, welcome to the channel today. Today we've got a video for you with a bunch of crazy American kids and two crazy American parents trying some candy and snacks from New Zealand. Our cousins, the Joneses, are living in New Zealand right now, and Cora ran on over to New Zealand for a little bit, spent some time with them, and on the way back she brought us these amazing snacks. So hope you enjoy the video today. And as always, have a great day living your journey. And what did we just have?
Crunchies.
They're called Crunchies.
Cadbury Crunchies.
Cadbury Crunchies.
I like how Dad does this now.
Honeycomb covered in chocolate. These are all via Cora's trip to New Zealand, visiting the Jones family, who are our great cousins.
It's awesome.
I really like them. So this is a lolly scramble. Most of their sweets, like their candies, are called lollies. And in it we have fruit bursts and minties and the milkshake candies.
Milkshake?
I haven't had minties or milkshake candies, but fruit bursts are pretty good.
All right, let's try them.
What are they like? What kind of candy in America?
They're kind of like Starbursts, but like bigger.
Let's see what we got.
Okay. I think we should all try fruit bursts to start off with, just because it's pretty iconic.
Fruit burst.
Now,
what are the different flavors of fruit burst?
There's grape. Hey, leave them on here. Leave them on here. There's grape, orange, banana, lemon, lime, strawberry, and orange. I've only tried the grape and the.
Can I try banana?
Yeah. I'll get.
I'll take strawberry.
Lemon lime. That's for some reason that's everybody's favorite. I haven't tried
These
it.
are a lot smaller in
Hey,
real
don't
life
eat
than
it
they
yet.
look like on the camera.
Okay.
And we're all trying at the same time?
Wild berry, not grape. Yeah.
You guys are taking too long. I'm just gonna try it.
Jonah,
One,
don't.
2, 3, go.
They're a lot harder than I thought.
Really hard.
Like Starburst are like
They're
Laffy
now-and-laters.
Taffy.
Remember the
Now-and-laters,
now-and-laters when
yeah.
we were kids?
Wow, that like hurt. I thought it was gonna bite it off like the tip.
When I was a kid, I chewed a now and later, and it pulled my tooth out. Like it had
Yeah, nobody
trying to
loses
get
a
loose.
filling because of this.
I had a tooth that was completely unloose, and I was chewing a Tootsie Roll, and it ripped it out.
I think that I'm pretty sure these would do that. They taste just like now.
They're now-and-laters, just fatter and
Yep.
thicker.
Tastes like a now and later.
They're good.
This is a really good orange flavor.
We would play a game. You put it in your mouth, and whoever could hold it in their mouth for the longest wins. I'm gonna try this one.
Why?
Cameo and I got banana strawberry. We're gonna try banana strawberry. Okay.
Same bag.
Huh?
Yeah, the bag came with fruities, or is that what they call?
Fruit bursts.
Fruit bursts, and then minties
And
milkshakes, but there was very few minties and milkshakes, so we have to cut them in half. Right?
yeah.
Okay. Minties, yeah, you guys can help unwrap them.
All right. After a palate cleanse with some water and chopping our 3 minties in half.
Does everyone have a minty? Yep.
Yep. Ready? Uno, dos, tres.
It's harder than the other one.
It's harder than a peppermint.
It tastes like a really good peppermint that's gonna become chewy, I think.
I really like it.
It's like a Mentos, but really hard.
I like the texture a lot.
It's a cross between the texture of a Mentos and like a hard peppermint candy.
Yeah.
I like it.
I do too.
I'm a fan. I like it better than the fruit burst.
I like it too.
And Ezra's a fan.
That's pretty good.
Right. Thank you.
All right.
Picnic.
Picnic.
To be fair, we didn't
It tastes like an upgraded Kit Kat.
Sit
down.
Okay, let's try it.
Let's
Let's try it.
Upgraded Kit Kat.
down.
Open the picnic.
We're all gonna have to split these in half too.
Okay.
There's 12 of them.
Yeah.
They're too good. You don't want to share them?
She's just letting us all try stuff. She's not letting us have it.
Well,
Well,
if you guys want
now that I know
another
that
one
Joneses bought them, Cora didn't really buy them. I mean,
I'm good with tasting everything because
Well,
there's
we
still
can
a lot
all
of
have
stuff.
a full one later when Well, we
Yeah.
have when we can enjoy it more because
Could
they're
open that
good
one, Greg?
now, but they're not as good when after.
I've taught you kids to savor. If I've done anything right in my life, it's I've taught you to savor.
I love how you classify that as like your one greatest accomplishment.
It-
My kids can savor now because of me.
I mean, seriously, I probably failed a lot as a father, but you
Okay.
know to savor, and that makes me proud.
Oh,
Are we ready?
Granger.
That's
Well,
gonna ruin your palate.
As Granger's always the
Granger
slowest to
is
eat
the
candy.
slowest. He's a savorer.
He's got Halloween candy from 2015.
I ain't finished that last month, Dad.
Oh, finally. All right.
Ready?
Picnic.
Cora.
Let's try it. One.
1, 2, 3, picnic.
Pop the whole thing in, Greg.
It tastes like a picnic.
Mmm. Is that caramel?
Mm-hmm.
Picnic in my mouth. Oh yeah.
It's all the best desserts.
It's like a Milky Way Kit Kat
Mm-hmm.
Nutty Buddy.
It's like a
No.
whatchamacallit.
Payday.
Remember whatchamacallit?
Yeah.
Well, it has a lot of the whatchamacallit factors, but it's got the.
I love
And it's like a Baby Ruth.
I think
It's
it's
like
like
Baby Ruth with a Kit Kat.
Mm-hmm.
it
Yeah.
tastes to me like a payday with a Kit Kat in the middle and chocolate on the outside.
No.
Paydays have way more caramel.
Mm-hmm.
This is just a hint of caramel.
I didn't say what it tastes like to you. I said what it tastes like to me.
Yeah, well, your palate's wrong.
I'm just telling you.
Yeah, I like that.
I like that one a lot.
Kit Kat. It has like a nutty.
I'm okay with it, but I'm not really a huge fan, honestly.
I like it. I'd be happy with it. But if you gave me the choice between the honeycomb one,
Exactly.
Yeah.
which I call
Honeycomb.
crunch,
I do the
Yeah.
honeycomb for sure.
yeah,
Well, if I'm being
Boom.
completely honest, I like the honeycomb without the chocolate on it better.
What?
I don't know why.
But you can eat the chocolate off.
Spoiled.
Well,
And then pop the
normally I
honeycomb
would
in.
just suck on the chocolate
Right.
to get it off and then eat the honeycomb.
That's Cora, that's Cora. You know, like what family says that? You know, if I'm being honest, if I would have to pick a candy from New Zealand, I would take the chocolate off of my honeycomb. Just saying.
All right, let's cleanse our palates with
I
some
do.
water.
I did.
You all have to guess what kind of Pringles these are.
Like,
We're not gonna
lime.
see the package. You're just gonna
No,
like.
I'm gonna.
Let-
Okay, show us.
Well, I mean,
Lemon lime.
and
we
then
could
we'll
do
the
a
package.
blind taste
Yeah, let's do
test.
it. Let's do
Lemon
it.
lime.
Okay.
Do a blind
Wait,
taste test.
blind taste test.
Like you dish them out, feed it. Everyone gets a little
Okay,
chip.
I'll
and
keep
then we
my
have
eyes.
to-
Oh yeah.
Keep my eyes open.
Okay.
Joel, sit down.
I have not actually tried these.
Okay. Well, I don't know what type they are.
Oh!
Yeah, don't look at them.
It smells good.
We have Pringles in America. Are these just New Zealand flavors?
I guess so. Julie said that they couldn't find these in America. They've only seen them in New Zealand.
Oh.
Is this my chip?
Okay.
Yeah.
I get the
We're
cracked
we're
one.
mixing it up here. We're
Whoa.
going a little
Alright.
savory instead of
Lime
just
chili.
the.
What did you?
It smells like kind of like a lime chili
Yeah.
flavor.
Yeah, I think
Chili.
it's lime chili.
I know what it is already.
Do you?
I know, but I have a good idea. Let's
Then
taste
say
it.
it.
I haven't tasted it, but my guess is going to be curry. So I'm going to try
Ready,
it.
set.
Yeah.
Brooklyn would kill somebody for these.
Has you tried them?
They're good.
It's curry.
I think it's curry. A green curry.
It is curry.
It tastes like a green curry.
chip.
Yeah, it tastes like curry.
Is that green curry?
Well,
You got that.
you guys got it. Green curry flavor.
Boom!
Yeah.
I
There you go.
I have the worst nose in the family, and I smelt it.
It's
I
because
like
you
green
love
curry.
curry.
I do like green curry.
Curry for this family.
I did discover curry for this family in Korea. Okay, what do we got?
Okay, so Cadbury is pretty much the only chocolate they have. And if you haven't noticed, the picnics are Cadbury, the crunchies are Cadbury, like everything's Cadbury. So here we have,
So like everything's Reese's, Hershey's here.
yeah, pretty much. Oreo Mint Cadbury bar. These are Julie's favorite, she said. Or maybe not. I might have gotten that wrong.
I'm
I'm
Sure
excited.
they're my favorite. I'm pretty sure they're my favorite.
Yeah, this is gonna be. Mom's gonna be making us go to New Zealand just to get these.
I'm pretty
I'm cool with
excited.
that.
Yeah.
Weird lemon bitter.
This is Cora's secret ingredient to get us to go back to New Zealand. She's like, here, Mom. I only brought one back, and you only can have a case.
How come we didn't buy any of these candies when we were in New
You
Zealand?
tell me.
I don't remember that.
It's because we were poor back then.
we were really
We-
And
we-
we didn't buy any of these candies. This is Uncle
Travis.
Travis's money, Dad.
It's
That's
true,
probably
but
why.
we were not even remotely poor back then.
That's too bad. No, I'll take care of that one for you.
we were too busy buying the ice cream and yogurt, I
There,
think.
we were impressed by it. Okay,
that-
where's this made?
And my birthday cake.
It's all made in New Zealand. I think Cadbury is a New Zealand company, right?
Yeah. New Zealand.
I really want.
This looks inside like. Yeah, check out the inside. I don't
What
know.
is this?
Can you see it?
Cadbury Consumer Advice Service, Australia free. Call. Like, we don't want any Australians to be a part of our conversation. They're Australian free.
Yeah! Australian free!
You can call without fear of discrimination.
Okay.
All right,
Look,
are we
even
ready?
even their candy bar wrappers are resealable.
That's
What?
amazing!
Yeah.
Why don't we have that?
Because we don't eat it. We don't need to save it.
Yeah,
we
we
eat it in one
eat
sitting.
it all in one sitting. We're American.
Americans don't need
I mean, I know that's big
candy
enough to
bar.
last for a week, but no American's gonna do that.
No.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
I'm so excited. Do you guys have yours?
Yep.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Ooh, it's got a crisp. I wasn't expecting that.
I wasn't expecting
I thought somebody might sing that song.
Oh, this is one that gets better as it warms up in your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, as it warms and melts, then it mixes.
It has a good, like, throaty
Because
taste.
Cadbury is smooth.
It tastes
Mhm.
like milk.
Thank you,
The
Cora.
Cadbury chocolate is
tastes like
definitely
milk.
smooth.
It tastes like milk chocolate.
Mm.
Like no, not milk. Yeah. Milk chocolate and milk. Like
Yeah.
with an
it's like creamy
Oreo.
with milk
With
with
a
an
mint
Oreo.
Oreo.
Yeah, it's like mint Oreo dipped in chocolate.
With a glass of milk. Like
Yeah.
chocolate cream.
It's
Chocolate
so
cream.
good. I need more.
I enjoyed it. Crunch is still my winner.
It had a little bit too much mint for me.
Really?
It like took too much away from the chocolate and Oreo.
I'm sorry, you don't have to have it again.
I'll take your
I really
other
like
part.
the crisp. Like when you bite it,
Mhm.
it crunches.
Yeah.
So like you can either
Got it.
savor
Look at
it.
the layers.
Yeah, I got that earlier.
That was really good. And
Okay,
you see
either-
all the little crunch bits in it?
You can either like savor it and suck it in your mouth, which is so good, or you can crunch it, which is like.
All right, everybody, let's thank the Joneses for all of
Oh,
this.
we're not done yet.
Oh, really?
All right, everybody's got their chocolate. They're positioned by their mouth so that they're ready to go. So we don't.
Touch it with their hands.
So they don't touch it with their hands. Okay,
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Will you crunch it or suck it?
Whatever you want.
You can open our eyes, all right?
Yeah, you can open your eyes now. That's in your mouth.
It tastes good.
It tastes like a bugs. It's like a cricket chocolate, isn't it? Oh, it has Pop Rocks.
Mhm.
Pop Rocks.
Told me about the Pop Rock chocolate.
That's what it. Oh wait, yeah, it's Pop Rocks.
They're starting to.
Pop. Like Pop Rocks.
That pop
That's
is
what
back
we should
here.
say. That's kind of fun.
Oh,
Julie said that Indy used to try to sneak this chocolate, but she could hear it popping in her mouth when she was
Yeah, that's a hard one to sneak. Are you eating that? No.
Oh wait,
What's going on? Oh.
Because I'm chewing it like a licorice. Like the inside of an alligator.
Mom must have gotten a good piece.
Yeah, it would be hard candy to sneak. You can't eat this in a quiet meeting.
It's totally making you
Do you guys know what else is in here? Here, let me
I got it first.
read that package.
Oh, jelly popping candy beans. Beanies? Beanies.
What do you,
It just keeps popping.
Yeah, at the end, when the chocolate's gone, the party's on.
Wow.
yeah, that was my favorite kind of all the candy I had in
Yeah,
New
that
Zealand.
is
That is
really
really
good.
cool.
At first
This
I
is
thought
cool.
it was like
Yeah.
bug because it crunched, but then it started like popping more. And for a split second, I was like, "Are there bugs alive jumping in my mouth?" And then I was like, "Wait, that's so
That's fun.
stupid. It's
This
probably
is really cool.
Thank you,
Joneses.
Thank you.
All right, here's the damage from the Americans trying New Zealand candy night, and it was scrumptious. Lots of fun.
Yummy.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope that was fun for you. You know, if you want to try some of these candies for yourself, you don't have to fly all the way to New Zealand to get them. We have some links in the show notes below. You can click on those and buy yourself some of this New Zealand candy and give it a try. Let us know what you think if you do that. I'd love to know what you think about this candy. And again, please subscribe if you like the channel, or give us a like on the video. We sure appreciate it. And whatever you're doing, we hope you have a great day as you live your journey.